Wabba bop bop. Alright guys, let's do some work on this debugger today. This is gonna be good. Alright. We're gonna fix it. Yeah, I'm gonna stream more often, you know, like maybe not like the whole thing about, you know, but that's why I deleted the last video. But alright. It was super funny, wasn't it, when I had the camera and I was like just like smoking weed and like Alright, let's go. My turn on my PS4. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so I guess let's just test it like this. Gotta make that. Send it. Pain in my ass. That's what this is. These are all pain in my asses. I don't want to implement them yet. Okay. Get process list. Get process info. Bid. Name? Is that it? Is that what process info? Oh yeah, it's not that. We'll do entries. 0 dot name. Yeah. Alright, well, you know what? I'll do like 3 or some shit. Name executable. Alright, okay, this is working. I say before we get into finishing the debugger, there's a few things I want to do as far as like code cleanup goes, right? So if we already have people debugging, we shouldn't have them. We should only be able to have one person debugging at the same time. But I'm going to allow multiple tools to be connected. So the server can support multiple clients, but if they try to send a debugging packet, right? A debugging packet. Wait a second. If they try to send a debugging packet, there's only allowed one person debugging at the same time. So, if packet-cmd is not equal to cmd debugger Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have another one. You know what I'm gonna do? So they have to call stop run or detach, or they have to call detach. That's what they have to do. Stop run's only it's gonna be its own thing. It's not equal to detach, blah blah blah. I mean, if it is equal to detach, then reset debugger context. Check if there is a debugger context, right? If like CTX, then like don't do this. And honestly, just if there is a context, then so okay, so if we I'm trying to think of a good way to do this. Yeah, I guess it'll have to be tied to the file descriptor. Should I do that? But then if they disconnect and someone else connects and they have the same file descriptor, then that's not gonna work, because if we identify the client on the file descriptor, they're not always distinct UIDs. Yeah, I think what we can do, or you know what? I don't care. Wait a sec. If it's okay, so yeah, we'll do it in here. Ready guys? Let's do it. Okay, so we got all those, and then we're gonna do struct dbg and context debug context, right? This will have like int pid, and then we'll have our data in here, right? But then we can have like an extern struct debug context dbg ctx, right? It's not bad. And then in this debug, you can have debug context, and then I'm going to delete those for now. I'm gonna hold a reference to the file descriptor in here, but it will not necessarily okay. So this will work too. You know what, we can clean this up, because we do need to clean up a bunch of code. So in detached, it becomes -1, right? So that resets, yeah. So that'll reset everything correctly. You know what? I don't even need a reference to the file descriptor, but I do for the breakpoint. Yeah. Who did the work on this? I got someone to actually do the some thread stuff, but was this me? Did I write that? I don't remember writing that. I don't know. This is wrong, actually. Oh wait, no, it is right. Oh yeah, I fixed it. I remember. Because whoever wrote it, I forgot who wrote it, so I got someone to write it for me. Just like the thread registers and stuff like that. So it doesn't matter. I can attach to another thing. I guess I have to call detach first. You know what? My detach will handle, right? So we can go boom, bada. We can get rid of that. We can go in here. We can reset these, right? Reset the watch points and break points. Yeah, there's a lot of bugs. I guess I fixed it, but I don't know what the fuck I was really stupid last time. You know what I mean? So, I don't know. This is gonna fail, obviously, but I need to reset that. Yeah, so I haven't done a watch point, and why the fuck did I remove those functions? To be, so I need to do this again. I forget how I did this last time. But I want add a breakpoint. Okay, well, we gotta do add watch point too, I guess. How did I have the fuck? Why did I delete those? Okay, you know what I gotta do? I gotta get the code from online. It's in here. Yeah. Okay. And we just need to do the same thing for watch points. Okay, so I'm just gonna do like this BPS, and then like set BPS equal to like, and I don't know what the fuck I just did. B, control B. So it actually looks cleaner. I don't know. I think it. You know what? No, we're not doing that. That looks retarded. I don't care how the fuck we reference these. Okay. But watch points are different, right? So it's not about removing a watch point. It's also not about adding a watch point. It's also not about even having something that can handle a watch point. What we need are two functions. Well, no, we just have one. Yeah, no. I know what we gotta do. No. So we're gonna have the packet for the watch point decide. So right, watch point packet, right, and this will just set the indexes like 0 through 4, like, or 0 through 3, or 1. There's 4 watch point registers, DR0 through DR3, and it'll just set them. And whoever wrote the debugger front end has to worry about keeping track of those, which there's going to be no function to get what's actually set in the debug registers. But let's see what's wrong here. Yeah, okay. Well, that's gone, so CTX. Okay, good. So debugger context like PID not equal to -1. So if the PID's not equal to -1, that means they didn't detach yet, and that means not equal to detach. Okay, if it's equal to detach, we'll just go through. And then we gotta make sure in our detach we just detached, fuck the error, reset this shit, and then in here the breakpoints are reset, the stuff's filled in. So if it's not equal to -1, we're probably good, right? So start debug. It's in the main file. I'm I'm gonna delete these because they get overlapped in the UI. So okay, make that. Let's try to reboot my console, right? PS4 dot reboot, control dot make or dash it test. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is this doing? Reboot. Send. CMD console reboot. Okay, why wouldn't it fucking reboot? So that should be making its way. What was I gonna do? Console. And then it goes into here. Hooks. So you sure? Kernel reboot? We got the right address for that? Let's check. Shit. Actually. I have to check on my main computer. I wish I could show you guys my magical IDA skills. If anyone has IDA for Linux, deal, please, like. Okay. Let's find kernel reboot on our own, and then we'll compare it to what we got in the KSDK, which I'll probably have to update on Git. I wish someone would just like go through that, but you know, not much support. So kernel reboot. Let's do this. Let's look for that. And then go to that function, and then go here, and then rename this kernel reboot. And then we take this, we go calculator, we go up here, we subtract base. Ooh, really? What? Really? That is really interesting. Oh. Wait a sec. Syncing disks. Oh, bop, bop. Okay, I don't know if this is right. I gotta find it again. Kern shutdown. 10D390. Fuck. So I did port that right. Okay, let's go to sys underscore reboot. Let's parse that. Okay, let's look up kernel underscore reboot. Man page. Huh. What is different? Okay, well, let's, I suppose, mutex, sleep. Okay, let's, we might have something, because I'm 100% sure that function is getting called. They might have, like, because they changed a lot of stuff in 505. So I'm just going to compare it to the old one. Where is this? Research. KDB inactive. Huh. Okay. Should be getting called. Shit. Well, wait a sec. Okay, valid console CMD. Console Panda. It's fine, I don't give a fuck. As far as this goes, should return 1. This should be says console CMD. Main. This is cool. I have like system calls for reading kernel memory. It's kind of nice. What was I doing? KDBG, yeah. You need to stop searching. It's just a 1. Also 1 unit 64. It should be pegged. This should be moved to the KSDK. too. You can do that. Who cares? And then what? Okay, I'm gonna move that. And then I'm gonna change this so we don't even have 129, because screw that one. Print. Right, and then if we go to hooks.c, boom. Says cancel print. Okay, let's fix the R. Okay, I don't even know. Go back to hooks here. Make sure we don't have any of that in there. Then we'll go to here. Make sure we don't have any of that syscons print. No, we do this with a then okay. And then this one 112. So you only need that if you use it in the system call itself. Okay, console.c. Oh yeah. Oops. Oops it is. Cmd print, right? Do we free that? Yep. Okay, well, I guess the only thing to do is try to do this again. Try to reboot it. Hangs. It connects, right? Let's see what's going on over UART. Okay. So let's try to get UART going. ACM TTY 0. Okay. What do I need? Okay. Key. Really? Really? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get the Arduino IDE. if we do good, and if we do that.